Hey, YouTube, good afternoon, good morning, good night, whatever it is, time it is, wherever you're at. What we're going to do today is I'm going to give you guys a kit review on a kit from Tim Bongard. I apologize, the tape that was on there took some of the printing off. From Tim Bongard over at Ranger Detail Technologies of his Engine 51 kit. Now we're going to start out here. This was the first fire truck that appeared in the TV show Emergency back in the early to mid 70s, if anybody remembers that. And here's just a list of items that was in it. Now I am kind of working with Tim on this endeavor, as I am supplying the emergency light that comes in the kit. Okay? So you guys buy one of these kits, you'll get one of my lights in there. But it is from Ranger Detail Technologies. He's on Facebook, on the web. He sends you a real nice instruction sheet here on how to handle resin parts, little tidbits, whatever. Here is his email address if you guys are interested in contacting him. Now this kit is designed to be mated with the AMT American La France kit, so you will need one of those. These are just some items that he provided in helping assemble this kit, which I have actually had now for probably close to a year. And I have not started it yet. So, Tim, if you're watching this, I apologize, but I think we all know how life happens. Now, here is the instruction sheet. And I want you to look how thick this is, okay? He's went through and painstakingly put everything in detail. What you need to build this kit, what you need to do to build this kit. It's supposed to be a 1965 Crown Fire Coach. I don't know if he's got this one labeled as instruction versions 1.0. I hope that's showing up here, 1.0. I don't know if he has updated that since to something else. But again, yeah, see the date down here says 8/1/2020. So yeah, I'm way behind. I apologize for that. But it goes through step by step of everything that he did that compromises the build of this kit. It's very, very detailed. Here's some options you have. You will need one of these kits to finish this kit, okay? These are all still available. You can get these on modelroundup.com any day of the week. Here is some in-progress shots when he was building it. Here's some more. Very, very detailed. You get all this in the kit. I'm having a hard time getting my fingers to work here because it is raining outside and the paper's kind of moist. But you can see we have some detailed drawings down here. Exactly how to lay your hose out. Now Tim was used to do the article in Scale Auto magazine called the Scale Firehouse years ago. Here's another good shot of the in-progress work. This is the kit, the cab, and the fender wells, and all this comes from the AMT kit with the wheels and tires. So there is some modification that you do have to do to the pumper body from the AMT kit, but it's all explained in these instructions. He gives you everything, all kinds of detail about what is what and where it's at. Same thing here. Very highly detailed. Some really nice step-by-step photographs. Okay. More. Now this kit you could build just like in the instructions. You could build, really anything you wanted from that was a 65 Crown Fire Coach. The Crown vehicles were more popular on the west coast of the U.S. There were some that were delivered to the eastern side of the Mississippi River, but not many. There's some more good photographs he gives you. There's a quick pic of my light that is included in the kit, which is a Model 17, just like was on the real truck. As you can see here, it's got the chrome base, the red dome, and it's got what's called as the soup can inside. There's a light inside here, and it comes out both ends of it. There's a shot from, I don't know if that's from the TV show or that's an actual photograph of one. But that is the truck that was in the original TV show Emergency, before they had the War de la France truck. So enough about that. Let's get into this. Kit. See if I can get my lights kind of out of the way here. I don't know how well this will show up, but we'll try to do it justice, Tim. Here we have a resin piece for the front end, and another piece. You can see that's a nice solid piece. And in this, you get literally a ton of detail parts. Here is one of the speakers that I offer for sale. That goes in the front of the cab. Here's some little jewels for the lights. Here is some silver solder. We have some dressmaker pins, it looks like. Again, I haven't even really looked at this. We have some resin copies of the radio stack that I offer. Chrome plated pump gauges from Don Mills. License plate, bracket, plates on the back. Chrome gas cap. Pump panel PA speaker. Some rectangular slam locks. again from Don Mills. You'll notice in some of my fire truck builds, I always use the round ones, but he does make rectangular ones too. And then the Spotlight detailing kit. Again, the paper clip that I've described in some of my past videos about how to do that. So let's stick all these nice pieces back in here. And then we have some nice blackout trim for the windows. We have some nice decals, LA County Fire, pump panel gauge decals, instrument panel decals. We have decals that say Crown Fire Coach, and looks like some chrome pieces that go around the pump panel gauge, the turn signals, things of that nature. Very highly detailed kit. Tim has provided me anyway with some sanding blocks, a sanding stick. We have some Don Mills tread plate here. We have a couple pieces of, it looks like 60 by 60 styrene rod. Here is a sheet of 40 thousandths styrene that has, you probably can't see it, but there's letters on here, scribe lines where you need to cut to make all your door panels, things like that. Here's some more. Same thing here. Here's a piece of acetate for the windshield. This is the same stuff that is in the large book that I have. I can't even get this out of here. Here is some more sheets of styrene. Again, 40 thousandths thick, I do believe. It may be 60. Let's put the calipers on it and see. It's 60 thousandths. So 60 thousandths styrene, that'll be a fairly sturdy kit. Another paper clip. I'm not sure what that'll be used for, but then again, that's I've had videos before. You want to get these jumbo paper clips. That's what they're good for model parts. Got another piece of round styrene stock in here. We have more. This is a thinner sheet of styrene with where you're going to cut out for your gauge panel. Excuse me. Your fender wells, all that. And another one for the body. I hope some of that is showing up. I don't know. He's got everything labeled. And you would cut this out, but use the plain side when you build. All of this information would be on the inside. You'll never see it. So that's pretty much it. That is again, Ranger Detail Technologies. He's out in Mesa, Arizona, I think is where Tim lives. Highly detailed kit. He has a conversion kit out right now for the Squad 51 from the TV show Emergency. He also has a mini pumper available. Some people would refer to that as a quick attack. very highly detailed kit. I strongly suggest that if you like building this type of model, or you just want to challenge yourself, look them up, order it. I'm not sure of the cost. It's probably not cheap. I would say it's probably maybe in the $100 range, or maybe a little more. I'm not real sure. I can't speak to that. But Tim is a super nice guy, and he's always there to help if you ever have any questions. I was actually just speaking to him 2 nights ago. He ordered some more lights from me, and I went ahead and I have one of his mini pumper bodies on the way, so we will do a review on one of those when it comes in. Let you guys see that. And that's about it. So I appreciate you guys watching. Everybody have a great day.